Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are again. Super Nintendo, one chip. Okay, that's not it. That's out of focus, out of frame, not focus. Get that out of the way. Balance it there, yeah, that's safe. Here he is. Here's the guy. Man of the hour. So what we're doing... Actually, I might as well take the camera down, so we can have a look. So this is a one chip. One chips have this magnificent fault that I keep coming across, lucky me, that is no sound. Now sound comes out the port in the back with the video. Probably does something with all these capacitors, which are replaced. These are all good. Nothing wrong with these capacitors. Wow, they're actually warm. I don't know if that's a good thing. Either that or my hands are very cold. It is winter. Oh no, it's spring. It's spring now. So what we're going to do is, I suspect, on the previous one chips, this is based on an assumption, of course. So what other way is there to do things? Got to start somewhere. S-Mix U10. I'm going to assume that is broken. Now S-Mix mixes something. I'm not entirely sure what, but I know that this chip here, 6379A, at U6, on pins 1 and 4, can output left and right audio. So I'm going to tack some Kynar on, green or blue, I can't decide, maybe I'll use both. And once that's done, I should be able to get some audio. Now I'm not entirely sure what S-Mix mixes, but there's a lot more pins on the S-Mix than there are on this one. Could follow the traces. Where's one go? One goes over to these two. Or does it? No, maybe that stops, it goes underneath the chip. It's very difficult to tell. Yeah, it goes underneath. So what we're going to do is we're going to tack that wire on and see if we can get some audio output. So that should be interesting. Let's get that underway right now. Alright. I need Kynar. Check. Wire cutters. Not check. Ah. I'll make it a nice big length. Soldering iron is heating up. These wire cutters are also wire strippers, so best of both worlds. So I'm going to use two colours, blue and green. Blue is right, we'll go with, because a capital R is sort of like a B. Yeah. This would have been a lot easier if I used one of the other colours. Like red. Right is red. That would have been much easier. But I've picked my colours. So let's have a look at the pin out. Right out is pin 1. So blue goes to pin 1. So this is pretty fine soldering here, and it's not as fine as it could be, but it's one of the finer things. Get all the crap out of the way if you've got the stuff lying around, which I seem to have more of than not. And then you simply want to attach it with a quick little heat of the leg. No way, it actually got it first time. I was not expecting that. I think I can do better. And of course you can always add some solder. 1. And you can make these cables look as nice or as terrible as you want. It's your console, so do what you please. Quite frankly, I'm not even sure this will work. And I need a ground. Ground. Oh, what are we using for ground? We'll use red. Yellow. We'll use yellow. Of course, ground is anywhere you want it to be. So I'm going to take it from... Take it from, oh, let's say the 5-volt regulator. Why not, right? I think of a million reasons why not. One, it's right in the middle of the legs. It's a bit more difficult to solder to. Have a ground. Turn off your soldering station, find the base of the computer machine that we just lost. Computer machine. Okay, so now we've got little cables coming out the back. We need the heat sink, otherwise we'll cook our 7805, which will be very bad. I just want to attach that to the heat sink using the screw with the non-bumpy washer. Short out on anything, looks good. Okay, and now we head over to the computer. Screen! Okay, so here we are. We've got the audios plugged in to where the SNES audio should come out, so let's see what happens. Let's start with blue, whatever blue was. Which way do these go around? Out would be ground. Find out very shortly. Well, I'll be damned. That's Desert Fighter, alright. So right channel's good. Let's try the left channel. Incredible. So it works. Okay. That's easy enough. That's a good fix. I'm going to get it back in one piece and we'll check back at the final product. So I'm pretty lazy. Literally just pins 1 and 4. Now make sure you got the same chip. If you don't have the same DAC chip, it's going to be a different pin out probably. There are 2 types that look exactly the same. So I've got 2 wires, they go through, and look, they go through the board, through a via. Through 2 vias. Isn't that cool? And guess where they end up? On the back. On pins 11 and 12, which are left and right audio. So that's good enough. I mean, yes, the S-Mix chip is probably something to do with mixing the audio channels, just a guess. And an amplifier all in one. As I do remember that the older boards used to have an LM324, I want to say. This one does not. So, I don't know, do you really need an amplifier? Just turn your turn your TV up. Anyway, I'm going to give this another test. Just make sure it's as good as it can get. It's better than nothing. Oh, stop getting hit. Drop a bomb, man. Get out of there. What a game.